Ladies and gentlemen, most skits teach you the meaning of love and friendship. It's after school special day, don't worry. This one will teach you. This one will teach you the meaning of fear. I'm intrigued. MeowAbout Cosplay presents Pokémon. This is Pokémon Sulfur.
Pokémon Gold and Silver, the starter town was originally called Silent Hills. Today, our heroes will take a journey through this exciting new world of Pokémon.
It's so awesome! Today, Finn has a new Pokémon game. I'm on my way to go see Professor Elm. Today I'll be in my Pokémon adventure. Hello, Professor! I'm ready for my first Pokémon! Professor? Today you said,
Welcome. I see you come for your first Pokémon. How about Chikorita, Cyndaquil, or Toadette?
Can I have a Jigglypuff?
Sure, why not? While you're at it, I have a little errand for you, friend. If you run into a guy named James, please give him this videotape. Tell it's from her.
Her who?
Not roughly! You will know who it's from. Oh, and here's your Jigglypuff. How did I say?
Yay! Thanks, Professor! Oh, hello, mister. Hey, are you a trainer?
Who are you? What do you want from me?
I'm Kris. I'm a Pokémon trainer. Oh, and I have an errand to run for the professor. Oh, hey, do you know...
Kris? I don't know, Kris. You're not friends with that red pyramid thing, are you?
Red Pyramid? Is that a Pokémon? I want to catch it!
Is that tape?
I don't know. It's some old tape the professor wanted me to give a guy named James. Hey, you know him?
Yeah, I'm James. It's for me? No, it can't be for me.
Ow! What's wrong with you? It's just a radio. Here's your tape, mister. Hey, what are you doing?
Looking for monsters.
Monsters? See, I thought you were a trainer. Yeah, Mr. James? Professor Elm told me to give this tape to you. He just said it was from her. Is he talking about Mr. James?
Her? No, that tape can't be from her. She's been dead 3 years. I had to do it. I couldn't watch her suffer. I had to. Yes, I did it. I killed her.
I killed her because I love her!
I still love her. I'm sorry, Jess.
Mr. James! I told you I wanted to die, James. I wanted the pain to end. Who was that?
That's why I did it, Jess. I couldn't watch you suffer.
You awful man! Come on, get up, James. Destroy that
Prepare for trouble! Go Red Pyramid!
You sing, Jigglypuff! It missed?
Red Pyramid! You
We hoped to